Oh, what do we have here? This one is titled When a Suspected Squatter Meets a No-Nonsense Cop by Body Cam. Watch.
I want to press charges because I paid somebody to stay here. That's your problem. Bro. I've been here more than 30 days. Put it in the show.
Stop.
Why is she so aggressive?
No, honey, you listen to me because you know I've been here more than 30 days. Almost 30 days. You feel me?
Are you done?
You got me f***ed up. You're not going to come here and do this.
Ma'am.
All right? And I told
How you gonna tell the cops what they finna do?
you. See, I'm a self-represented litigant. You feel me? So I will
A what? What did you say you was again? We gotta rewind that because what?
Are you done?
She a what?
You're not gonna come here and do this.
Ma'am.
All right? And I told you. See, I'm a self-represented litigant. You feel me?
Huh?
So I will take your ass to court.
Listen to me.
Gotcha.
Get your stuff and get out.
I'm not getting my stuff, and I'm not going anywhere.
With the officer there, the landlord requested the woman be immediately removed from the apartment building.
I'm not trespassing because I can give you my lease.
Stop.
Hey! Ow! Chill out!
Get your hand behind your back.
Well, see what happened when you be super aggressive for no reason with a man?
Get your hand. You stay up right there. Don't you dare come up here. You hear me? You stay your ass right there. Stop it. Give me Trey.
Somebody called the sheriff when the police is there. It's crazy.
I got fighting a woman on Pascal Street.
He ready to rob his queen.
Stop.
He can't even see what's going on talking about stop choking her.
Give me the other hand. Give me your other hand. You're going to jail too, so come here.
Boy, I would have took off running so fast. Be like, you gotta catch me, bitch.
Come here. You're being arrested too. Come up here.
He talking about come up here. I wish the fuck I would. Ew. Stop acting like that. Your stomach out. Both of them.
Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Listen to me. Listen to me. You are trespassing on private property.
She said she not going nowhere. The cop said, we're gonna see about that one, baby.
You refuse to leave. Now you're being arrested for resisting without violence and trespassing.
Let me go! Let me go!
Let's forget a moment. I'll get your information.
Look, his ass gone. He way across the street. Y'all see his ass? Hold on. He gone.
Stop.
Look, y'all, look. He was supposed to be over there, right? That's somewhere. That buddy gone. Hold on. We gotta see this shit. Is he gonna pop back up?
Stop it, Miss Williams. You're embarrassing yourself.
He said, I got warrants.
Let me go!
Stop it. You're going to jail. Stop.
That boy is gone, bro. That shit funny as hell.
I just need some help. Get her down the stairs.
Brandon, please! Stop!
You can lift traffic.
Get off me! I can't breathe!
You can't breathe. You're on your side.
Seriously?
You're on your side. You have an open and
I got
airway.
asthma.
You have an open airway.
That's my favorite thing for them to say. I can't breathe. You would be able to breathe if you ain't do all that hollering and fussing and shit.
Clear 1333.
You'd be just fine. Brandon gone. He said the hell with this. Once that cop told him he was going to jail, he said, I'm out.
What?
All right, stand up. We're going to jail.
My
And
arm.
you dropped a meth pipe right there, too. So now you're being
A
charged.
meth pipe? You was messing around?
Are you crazy?
No, you're being charged.
No!
Get this up.
Leave me
Come on, Methany.
alone, you guys.
Stand up.
Oh, Meth Quisha.
Going to
I like Meth Quisha better.
jail.
McQuisha.
Stop! What did I do? Stop! Ow,
Stop it.
All right. Oh, wait. Ow, my pinky. She pinned it in back. Stop!
You wouldn't mind step on that crack pipe.
Stop!
I ain't never seen a fat crackhead or meth head. That's a different one for me.
Miss Williams, and you refuse to do so.
That's not what.
And you decide you want to start threatening people and resist arrest.
That's not what happened. God, chill out.
Don't mind.
Why y'all doing that to me? Bro,
You know why they doing it
We've
to
got
you.
another case open on her. We'll probably be putting charges on her.
What she got on her?
Sir, my complaint is right there at the top of the screen. Thank you.
Yo.
Look at that. They finna tell everybody in the neighborhood. And be like, McQuisha, she got caught again, y'all.
Bro, I paid somebody to be there.
Hey, Red got
Do
the
you
fuck
have
on.
anything on you
No.
that will poke me? It will be a charge if I find something.
I don't do drugs.
Do not do that.
Are you
So who drugs is it?
Spread your feet. Spread your feet.
Forget it. Let's just put her in the car. I don't care.
Let me go. Go get my phone. Go get my phone. They got all my kids up in here.
Let's put her in the car.
All right.
Oh,
It's a felony charge.
Have a seat.
I gotta
Have a seat.
What you have
So what they gonna do with her clothes?
anything.
In the car.
Okay, stop pushing me.
in
Ugh.
there?
Oh, damn.
Okay.
Sit up. And sit in the seat like a grown woman.
She not gonna sit in nothing like a grown woman.
Kicking and fighting is not
I
helping
gotta
you
get
at all.
in. Wait, look. You got,
Put your foot in.
yo.
You kicking at me is not helping your situation.
My radio done messed up again.
Did he say that's fine?
During the struggle, that crack pipe fell out.
Oh wow. You could use a pipe for both. Like, can't you like do a 2-in-1? You know what I'm saying? If you're doing that.
No problem. Thank you. Thank you for your support.
I want to buy me a duplex like this when I'm not
He
broke.
showed up after the fact.
I'm going to go and call Investigator Bartholomew on the burglary case that they have on her currently.
Gotcha.
See what he wants us to add that charge or not right now.
All you had to do is leave. What be so wrong with people? I don't understand why motherfuckers be talking about they not gonna leave a space that's not theirs. Like, they want you going out of there. What's so hard about leaving?
Do you want me to go back to my vehicle?
Yeah,
Okay.
you can go back there and join him. I'm good here staying with him.
I got your phone and I got your shoes.
You had me.
I don't think she care about none of that.
Said that to me.
What if I said I thought maybe she had a gun or something like that? Would that?
She's already been arrested for that.
Dang.
They released her after she got arrested for the warrant she had.
Whoa. You got released it for a warrant and then you, oh yeah. Yo ass going to jail. And they not finna hold back this time.
There was people in there. He came earlier this week. There was no one there. That's why he went in there to do work, because it was vacant. And they broke the window last week during a domestic kind of thing going on here. We get here, there's nobody here, but we've seen these same two in and out.
Has she re-entered here then? Is it the boyfriend's old apartment?
There's no connection to it at all from what we could tell. The tussle
What the fuck?
started, and I got her pinned, and that's when I called for help.
Well, absolutely crazy thing is, apparently whenever you, as you're going hands-on, I called you on the radio. I don't know if you heard that.
I didn't.
You would have been busy.
Yeah, I was a little busy.
I no kidding, 5 seconds, 10 seconds before you keyed up, I called you, police 243 313.
It's raining?
It was dead air, and then it was you key up, hear her scream in the background asking for 64.
There you go.
And I was like,
Man, timing. I'll have you a report.
I'll stay here watching that while you talk to her.
Yeah, I'll be done in 5 minutes. All right.
Is she
Yeah, go
still
ahead, boss.
crying?
Thank you.
Please, God, protect me. Bro, do you know who I am? Do you know who I am?
Obviously, no, he don't.
Man, please, bro. Not even supposed to be here. Not supposed to be here.
Where you supposed to be at then?
God know me, bro. bro. Even if I don't know him, bro, God know me.
All right, Miss Williams.
You know who I am, bro.
Williams.
I ain't no criminal, no, bro.
Listen, it's all over.
I know.
I got your shoes here.
It's
I
not
got your
over,
cell phone,
bro.
and I got your mask.
It's not over.
It is over, baby. Calm down and just get adjusted and get out and get back on
Are
your
you gonna get out
shit.
of the car for me?
No.
You're not gonna get out of the car.
No, bro.
You're gonna make me go get all these people out here to come get you.
Don't put your hands on me no more, my man.
Get out of the car.
Don't put your hands on me
Get
no
out
more,
of the
my
car.
guy. For real.
All right.
You
Have
got
your way.
it.
Sorry, I was waving at you, but we can't talk through all this glass. So I had to fight her to get her in cuffs to get her in the car. So now she don't want me to get out of the car.
Me.
I think she just got released a couple days ago for trespassing and stuff. It's unlocked. Go ahead, sir.
Hey, my man better not put his hands on me no more. You feel me? You better not put your hands on me no more, bro. You ain't even a black man, bro. You don't ever put your
What does race have to do with this?
hands on me. You feel me? Bro, I love you, my guy, but don't put your hands on me no more, man. You feel me? Hey. Bro, I apologize, bro. Whatever I did to offend you, man. Whatever I did to offend you, bro. You got my shoes. What you doing to my shoes, bro? You brought my shoes to me.
She said, "What you doing?" She went from gangster to crime begging. Now she back gangster. Which one is it? You gotta pick one. Which one you gonna be?
In the car. You brought my shoes to me in the car. Why you put that shit in my shoe?
I'll wait out here for
Hey,
you.
you got door handles
You
on
want me
the
to help you
car.
drag her in there?
You got door handles on the inside
See what?
of the car. What police officer?
She got another
that's gonna
crack pipe
put
in
you
there?
up? Go have door
Oh,
handles on the inside of their car.
you gotta stop piping around.
That's fine.
That's an estate charge, right? What if I open the car door? Smart one. Don't put your hands on me no more, my guy. God bless you, bro. Don't put your hands on me no more, bro. You ain't
You already in jail. He already did what he needed to do. I didn't get that one, but okay. Whatever. What is the charges? Can we see the charges? All right. Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. And that's it, baby. Oh, we out.